Okay, so let's check out the room at Titanic Beach. Now we have a unique room. So this one is situated near the restaurants and then the pool. So getting here is at the lower level. But the advantage of this room is they are bigger. You know, there are 3 beds, 2 single beds, and 1 king bed. And you have a nice balcony space. So this is a family annex room. So let's check it out. So this is the stairs that you take to get here. There's no elevator to get to the room. So this is a second level. And we're at room 2203. So that's where we are. So when you walk in, you have 2 single beds. So this is where the kids will be sleeping. There's a small TV, nice counter space. Now, one thing that I would say, this place does have quite a bit of storage. You have storage here and you have storage here. So, but this is first part of the room, and it does have nice sliding doors. You know, acts as a window to get a lot of sunlight. And then when you walk past that, in the middle, you have a bathroom. Now the bathroom is a bit dark, like there's no light over here, which is kind of interesting. So you almost feel like you're taking a shower in dark. So that's kind of first impression on that one. But you have a walk-in shower, private bathroom, tub, and then you have one, you know, I would say tiny sink with a mirror here. And then this is the second room, aka the master room. So you have a nice, and I would say it's actually a queen bed, not a king bed, it's a queen bed. And the same TV size, so the TV is definitely outdated, you could tell. And this is the balcony. The balcony, not the best views in the world, unfortunately, but you are very close to the kids pool right there, the kids club, so you're very close to all the amenities and the restaurants. So, and that's the second piece of the hotel. So first impressions, it's an older hotel. It's definitely outdated. TV is outdated. A lot of the stuff is outdated. You could tell that like the phone system. You can tell the phone system is outdated. So it's an older hotel. There's no sugarcoating it. For 5 nights here, we're paying $2,500 for the room. So it's definitely a lot of money for this kind of resort. So did I expect something better? Yeah, you know, I did. But this one is the best rated resort in Antalya. A lot of the reviews, Google reviews, TripAdvisor, you name it. This is the best rated one. That's the reason we booked it. We booked this with Chase Rewards. So the cool thing with Chase Rewards, we get 10 points per dollar. So this will basically earn us a business class on Turkish Airlines down the line. So, but that's the first impression of the room. You know, it's a bit outdated.